Good morning, my prepper posse. It's the end of another really long week. However, we are going to road trip together next month. It's going to be a long one. But in the meantime, I was thinking that maybe we should do some survival challenge stuff together. Because many of you in my comment section, I know you're preppers. Because you're my posse. That's why you're my posse. So, I was thinking, if we're just going to start off together in the comment section, we can, bounce off each other and go back and forth. I mean, we could really start off like naked, like we have nothing. And I'm in the city right now. I'm not out off grid with all my off grid stuff, which I really miss. Whew, I can't wait to get back to doing that stuff. But we could go and start without electricity, let's just say, just for charging our phones and our tablets and our computers. I mean, I hope everybody has flashlights. That's important. I'm more of, if we've got to get out of the city, I'll do it in the city instead of off grid. And for a start, as you can see, I got the truck fixed and I am using the club. Love the club. It's working great for now. So I had my lighter fixed. This lighter works great. Now we have to get some 12 volts in order to plug in my phone and my tablet. This is what a 12 volt plug-in for your lighter or for 12 volt accessories looks like. Some are smaller, some have like 1, 2, or 3 of your plug-ins. This would be for my phone, but that you can plug in USBs to. And this is how we would get power. I'm gonna, to charge, let's just say the phone or the tablet or whatever. And if you wanted to do a refrigerator as well, those little small coolers, you can get, plug in. We'll get to that, but I'm thinking more like, let's start off really slow. And, let's pretend like we're going to have to live in the truck, which is what I'm going to be doing for, a little bit while traveling. So I do need a way to charge. So first things first. I know, and I'm fully aware of what happened yesterday with AT&T and Verizon and all the stuff that went down. My phone wasn't affected, but there's another thing. It might be time to start looking at some ham radios. But anyway, so as a start, if I have to, charge my stuff, now of course if the grid goes down, you aren't gonna, as far as our cell phones, we're not gonna have any. But let's just, pretend that we do for now. If you don't have a car lighter, you're gonna, obviously have to get a Jackery or some form of a plug-in in order to charge your things. So this is the first video. I'm gonna help you out as I go, and we'll do this together. In the comment section, tell me what you have and what you will do. Don't forget to play. See you.